Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your active status on Facebook Messenger. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the Messenger app. Once inside, you'll be on the main screen, which displays your chats menu. This is where all your conversations will appear. Step 2. Now, look at the top left of your screen, where you'll find 3 vertical lines. This is the menu icon. Tap on them. Step 3. Next, locate the settings option on the right side and tap on it. Step 4. Now locate the active status option and tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned on. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select the active status option, then tap until it changes. Finally, select Pause to hide your active status on Facebook Messenger. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.